Hello everybody, my name is GivenToe's. Welcome back to another episode on this channel. Now, this is completely new for me, and it might be completely new for you. I'm dedicating this video to you, the viewer. If you ever had thoughts about starting a YouTube channel, then I want to help you, because I've been doing this for quite a bit of a time now. I'm not a big YouTuber in any way. I'm a small-time YouTuber. So far. Of course, I have my dreams and my hopes that someday I will grow like beyond what I ever thought was possible. But I'm not there yet, and we can't be living in the future. But I wanted to make this video, and I wanted to divide it up into episodes, like a beginner's guide for YouTube. The do's and the don'ts that I know of. What kind of equipment you need? Do you need to invest in stuff with money? Some tips and hints, and all the technical stuff that are messing with your head right now, making you taking the decision not to do it because you feel like, okay, this is too much, I'm not gonna be able to handle this, it's gonna be a complete fiasco. So I need your attention in this video. Please continue listening to what I'm saying, because I truly want to help you start up your YouTube channel. I truly do. And I've learned so much through the years, comparing like my first videos to the videos that I'm making today it's not from the same world, basically. So I'm gonna make it very, very easy for you. I'm not gonna give you too much information in the same video. I basically want to do this step by step, small steps at a time. So this first episode, do you want to make a YouTube channel? Yes or no? If the answer to that is yes, what kind of YouTube channel do you want to make? Because, I'm asking you this question because you can't just start up a YouTube channel without having any idea what it's going to be about, because it's going to confuse the viewers, the subscribers. They're gonna be like, I have no idea what this channel is about, so why should I subscribe? There's absolutely no reason whatsoever to subscribe to your channel if you're all over the place. You know what I'm saying? So think about what you really want to do. What do you want to focus on? It doesn't have to be only one topic. It can be 2 or maybe 3 topics. But keep it there. Don't overdo it too much, because people are going to get completely confused. My channel is about reactions and video games. My niche, my specialty niche is horror games. I play a lot of other games as well, because it's a video game channel. But mostly I play horror games. That's what I like. So first of all, you gotta figure out, what is your channel going to be about? Is it gonna be a reaction channel? Is it gonna be video games? Is it gonna be a vlog channel? Is it gonna be cooking? Is it gonna be pranks? There are endless possibilities to what you can do to YouTube. The question is, what do you like? Tip number 1, do not start a channel with a topic that you do not actually like or enjoy. That is a complete waste of time, and you shouldn't do it. Because when you get into it further in the future, one day you're just gonna wake up and feel like, I don't want to do this anymore. Then why the hell did you spend all these years trying to grow a channel when you suddenly feel like, I never liked this? That's a complete waste of time. Do what you want to do. Do not do what others want you to do. That is lesson number 1. In the next episode, I will show you physically what you need to do to get started. How do you do it? Like, what pages do you need to get on to get started with YouTube? What equipment do you need? Microphone, camera, etc. What softwares do you need on your computer? For example, what editing programs? Where do you get your music from? How do you get music without getting copyrighted? How do you upload a video to YouTube? what you need to think about while uploading a video to YouTube. Other social media connecting to YouTube. All of that stuff, we're gonna go through that, and I wanna help you. I'm gonna be there on the way, and you can ask all of your questions in the comments down below. But this is lesson number 1. Do what you wanna do. Get your idea of what your YouTube channel is going to be about, and then you do it. Your idea, not others' ideas. Do what you want to do. And it's okay if somebody else already did it. That doesn't matter. So stop listening to people that said, oh, I've seen that like 1,000 times. Yeah, so what? I'm another person. I can do it my own way. And I like it. Then you should do it. That's lesson number 1. Lesson number 2 will come in the next episode. We're gonna get more like physical into what you physically have to do to get started. But that is lesson number 1. So thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. I think that it will be very useful for you, the information that I'm going to give you in these episodes. So I do urge you to subscribe. And if you subscribe, do not forget to activate the bell. Otherwise, you'll miss out on every future video that I post in here. And then you're gonna miss out on important stuff. So do that, and if you enjoyed this video, please leave me a like. It totally helps me. We're gonna go through likes as well, what they do. And we're gonna go through YouTube algorithm, marketing, and stuff like that. But that comes in the future. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon in the next episode. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.